When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, LiveAgent versus Intercom is a common debate. Both offer robust features, but which one is truly right for your business? Stick around to find out the strengths and weaknesses of both and which one might just leave you wanting more. I've tested both myself, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative you might not have considered. Let's start with LiveAgent. First, it's known for its all-in-one customer service solution, offering a ticketing system, live chat, call center, and social media integration. It's great for businesses that need to manage customer queries from different platforms in one place. The best part? It's user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to set it up or use it. However, there's a downside. The interface, while simple, can feel a little outdated, and certain features, like its knowledge base, aren't as customizable as some would like. Plus, while LiveAgent offers a lot of features for the price, its reporting tools are a bit lacking in depth compared to some other options out there. Next thing, Intercom. This software is highly regarded for its modern interface and advanced automation capabilities. Intercom makes it easy to engage with customers using a chatbot, provide personalized support with live chat, and even automate parts of your workflows with their bots and triggers. It's more of a premium solution, and that's reflected in the pricing. One downside to Intercom is that it can get pricey, especially if you're a small business or a startup. It also has a steep learning curve, which might take a while to get used to, and some users find its customization options overwhelming at first. While it shines in automating support, it lacks certain features, like an easy-to-use call center system, which LiveAgent excels at. Now, the pricing. Both LiveAgent and Intercom offer tiered pricing, but Intercom can quickly become expensive if you need advanced features or multiple users. LiveAgent is more budget-friendly and offers a lot of features at a lower price point, making it appealing for smaller businesses or startups. On the other hand, if you're a larger company with a hefty budget, Intercom might be worth the investment, given its sophisticated capabilities. The integration options in both are solid. LiveAgent supports integrations with major platforms like Slack, Shopify, and WooCommerce, but it's a bit more limited compared to Intercom's extensive list of third-party app integrations, including Salesforce, HubSpot, and even custom API integrations. Moving on to customer support. Both companies offer solid support, but there's a noticeable difference in how they handle it. Intercom's customer service is top-notch with personalized responses and proactive support, though response times can vary. LiveAgent, while still offering decent support, might feel a bit slower depending on your plan. The user experience is another thing to consider. LiveAgent offers a straightforward experience, while Intercom focuses more on modern design and AI-driven automation. But while the design of Intercom looks sleek, it can be a bit too complex for businesses that want a more streamlined system. So, what's the better solution? Both LiveAgent and Intercom are strong contenders in the help desk software space. LiveAgent offers great value for the price with an easy-to-use interface, while Intercom shines in automation and advanced customer engagement tools. However, after testing both, I have to say there's an alternative that offers even better value, a more intuitive interface, and smoother customer service features. If you're serious about getting the best out of your help desk system, I highly recommend you take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using this link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. It's a great chance to see firsthand what the best option really looks like. All in all, whether you choose LiveAgent or Intercom, both are great choices, but why not see if there's something even better out there for your business? Try it for free and decide for yourself.